Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Hey guys, so I'm back with another update video, and today I am going to update you guys on a Threadless pullover hoodie. I have a hoodie that I purchased from Threadless in January of 2021. I've worn it a few times, but initially when I first got it, it was too small for me. Even though it was too small, I did wear it a few times. I think one of my kids wore it a few times as well, but it has been washed and dried. You will get to see something that's been worn over the year and the quality of it with the year update. Now, this happens to a lot of hoodies. This comes out. I think I put it back in once, or I started to, because obviously it's like right here. So maybe I just didn't finish. The hoodie itself has not lost any of the color, the original color. It did not lose any of the screen printing. I don't know. I'm assuming this is screen printing. Everything is still intact. There's no obvious cracks on this shirt. It still feels good. You know, sometimes you get those little cotton bubbles. None of that here. The bottom still looks good. It's not like worn out or anything. This hoodie is really intact. Threadless is a little bit more expensive, but at the same time, when I can get quality like this and it's been a year, I'm definitely going to pay the money for the quality. As you can see, Threadless has really good quality. If you guys want to purchase stuff from there, put some of your art that is doing really well on other sites like Etsy and maybe Redbubble, put it on Threadless, and your customers can get really good quality products from you that will last probably longer than some of the other sites that you use. Really good quality. Again, Threadless, good job with the quality here. Doesn't even look like I had this a year, and I appreciate that when it comes to print-on-demand sites. This is my Threadless pullover hoodie update 1 year later. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.